Not only do we have 2 turbos, but there's a third one.
What is up, guys, and welcome back. Today we are going to be working on our 2016 Audi S7. So we do have some of the parts that we got with the car. We're going to be working with those parts today. We have some of them laying here. I think we have the wiring harness too somewhere in the car, so we might be soldering that today. We'll see where we get there. We'll see where we get.
Let's just get straight to it.
Let's just get straight to it and knock it out.
Alright guys, so we're going to begin with changing all these broken, what are these called?
Pumps.
Broken
Those
pumps.
look like pumps and hoses.
Tubes, hoses, all these plastic little pieces, everything was damaged. As you can see how it looks right now, how it's supposed to look. This little piece right here, basically change it right here. We got a few more bumps over there that we gotta change right here. So everything's just like broken, but just a little bit, like you can see right here. Just little cracks everywhere, and you can see all these pumps, everything's serious right here, so we cannot glue anything, fix, weld anything. All these pumps right here, we just got everything. Well, we already got it with the car anyway, so might as well change everything. So let's just get to it and start replacing all these broken pieces, and then get to the harness after we're done with all this.
This one was all busted inside too. It was busted outside and inside. It's crazy. This is this one, this is this one. Big difference. Boom.
Twist and pull.
Twist and pull, that's the way she goes.
Out with the old, in with the new.
Gotta make sure they have the rubber seals. And let's go put the new one in. Alright, so instead of using a Loctite, you just cross thread the bolts and they will stay on there forever.
Life hack.
Life hack.
Alright, she's in there cross threaded and tight.
Yep, no need for Loctite, right? Is that what it's called?
Yeah. Alright, next pump.
No, I'm kidding, guys. Don't cross thread bolts on the engine. Unless it's a Subaru. The engines are like 200 bucks.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's gonna go in a lot easier if we do that. Ooh, good time I put my finger in there. Look at that. You lube it up with the coolant. It's gonna go in much, much easier. Boom.
Another life hack.
Another life hack.
We should just start a life hack channel.
Cross thread tubes.
Lube up with coolant.
If you put it the opposite way, the car's gonna go much faster. Alright, pull these tubes out of there. Push that in there. Boom. Look at that. Okay, we're done. Nah, we're not done yet. What do we get to next?
We got the two pumps in.
Yeah,
change those guys.
We got those two pumps. Well, one was a pump, one wasn't. One was just tube sort of thing. Yeah, so it turns out we're gonna need these tubes too. I guess it's like it goes to the pump that we just changed for the coolant, but then again it also is for air. So I'm not sure what it's for. We're gonna have to go on the computer, check it out.
Is that a turbo, dude?
Look at it. I thought it was good. I thought to just change the cover, but listen to it. You see it? You hear it? It's bent. It's wobbly. So I'm gonna just change the pump. I'm not gonna change this bracket. There's no need to change the actual whole bracket because we did get it with, here, I'll show you. Come here. We did get it with this full on bracket. I'm probably just gonna unscrew. Oh, it's already unscrewed. So I'm just gonna unscrew it and then just swap it out, and then add this also.
So we're basically just gonna sell the bracket back to cost. So cost.
Yeah,
For the right,
$5.
for the right price.
Right price, $5.
Bidding war happening over here. Oh, you good? Are you at work?
Doesn't want to open.
Hey, it's okay, man.
It's a little prison shank. Oh, so we actually found out that not only do we have 2 turbos, but there's a third one. There's a hidden one. I think
It's
like
also a 6-pack. This car is jacked.
Oh, but check this out though. Look where the turbos are. They're so easy to remove. They're so easy to work on. Like,
Hey guys,
if we ever
turbos?
Upgraded turbos coming? I was just about
remember
to say
that RS7 with the turbos popping out of the
Yeah.
hood? Yeah,
We should do that.
We're gonna do that. We have to do that.
No, we
That's
don't.
gonna be sick.
Yeah, we do.
No.
Dude, that thing's crazy. This is the new Snap-on, by the way. Icon. Listen. Mint.
Put up to the camera.
That's like
ASMR.
some nice gears.
Some more.
What? Those 2 ripped wires that were behind the fenders, we actually found where they go. So it basically just ripped it off of this washer tank.
Yep.
So
Bingo.
now we kind of
It's not a washer tank, that's a windshield washer tank.
okay. So now we know what happened. So the reason why it ripped it out of it is, and you can see all these wires chewed up. I'm pretty sure this whole harness went underneath the tire, and it just scraped everything, ripped everything, and then just kind of pulled it and pulled everything out of the connectors. So all we gotta do is just pull it out, pop it back in, and it's good to go.
Honestly, dude, you should be an FBI agent.
What we have to figure out now, actually, we'll figure it out. We're electricians, certified, OSHA approved. But it has to come in nicely. Look at that. Nice. Nice.
Oh.
Look at this. Oh yeah, I found exactly where it goes. I'm gonna straighten that out, and that goes right in there.
Bingo.
Bingo. Freaking man.
New frame guy.
This is how you straighten out metal the easiest way. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
There's something in the way. Alright, let's make it smaller. Boom. Would you look at that? Alright, everybody just pause it and just look at it. That's all you have to do. Look at it. Alright, so not to swap the hoses around, I'm just gonna do it one at a time. So first put this one in, then put this one in. Who knows what will happen if you swap them.
Look how he's sitting. You got the famous cookout legs.
Look at all these. Look at this. It's like a tree. We're gonna have to connect all this into the new one right now. It's gonna be fun.
You're gonna have fun.
Alright guys, so we cleaned up all of these wires. Looks like a Christmas tree over here. Look at that.
Our dash is about to look like a Christmas tree with you welding.
Electrician, OSHA approved.
Electrician.
Yeah, so just the amount of wires we have here is the amount of lights we're gonna have on our dashboard.
1, 2, 3. There's like 7 browns already.
Yeah. Alright.
But
you're not even flexing that part.
bro,
That's, oh my god. I need to go back to the gym.
yeah, you
This is
do.
horrible. Don't rip out the,
I'm not.
oh my goodness. There you go.
I was starting to doubt you, my guy.
Yeah. That's how it's supposed to look. This is how it is. One down, 100 more to go.
We only have all night.
Yeah. Hey, let's not forget I have work at 2:30 in the morning.
I have work at 5
I have work.
a.m.
What time
too.
is it? What time is it right now? It's 10:10. We're probably gonna be here till like 12. Get home, like 12:30. Take a shower. 1 o'clock. Watch a movie. Go to work.
Dope. The grind don't stop.
Yeah.
You must watch a movie. You must. You know what? Just don't shower. Finish your movie.
Nasty bitch.
You're going to work anyways, right? All right, guys. So this is actually it for the front end. All the parts we have, we actually put them on today. And then he's gonna finish up soldering all the wires. So, peace. I'm not gonna be in this video anymore. It's just gonna be him left. I'm going home to rest because I have to wake up at 10 a.m.
All right. Well, that is it. Let's get to soldering.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we did finally complete soldering all these wires. It took a good while. Me and Fonzie did it together. I was holding, he was soldering.
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Anyways,
Look how good it looks.
yeah.
It's perfect. I like it.
Well, I was gonna wrap it up. But I don't think so we're gonna wrap it up until we actually put together most of the car. I think this is gonna be the last thing we're gonna do is wrap it up, just in case we got some wires mixed up, because there was a couple wires that were the same exact color. But,
the brown ones, but
well, the brown ones are usually ground. I know in cars the brown ones are usually ground. We tried matching them up because there's some thinner, some thicker, so we matched it up like that. We do still have a little bit more electric work left, like this harness right here for the headlight. The wires are not ripped, but this plug is broken, I guess, from the impact. But this is actually going to be it for today's video. So please like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Foreign Builds. Leave some likes there if you can. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video when we are going to be putting this front end together when we do get our parts. Peace.